to show you the recipe of Maharashtrian style kadhi. So let's start. The ingredients of my recipe are 1 liter of curd, 5 tablespoons of besan, some garlic clove which is finely chopped, some curry leaves, hing, turmeric powder, some chili, some coriander leaves, some methi seeds, some mustard, some cumin, salt and water. So let's start. Now take a blender and add 1 liter of curd. Now add 5 tablespoons of besan. We'll blend them until it becomes smooth. Now I'm going to blend it. I blended because there should be no lumps. It is perfect, and now we'll start making the curry. Now take a pan and heat some oil. Then add some cumin, mustard and methi seeds in it. Mix them for a while. Now add chopped green chilies. And now we'll add some curry leaves, 5 to 6. And then chopped garlic. Then mix them and we'll cook for 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes aromatic. Now everything is aromatic. We are going to add salt, 1 teaspoon as per taste, hing, a quarter teaspoon, and turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. We'll mix them. Now, after mixing it properly, we will add the curd in it. We'll mix them. And now we are going to add 2 glasses of water because the curd becomes thick. Mix them and let it come to a boil. Now the curry is boiling. I am going to add some coriander leaves. We'll mix them and now we are going to serve it. So transfer the curry into this bowl. Now I am going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. So this is my tasty and healthy Maharashtrian style curry. Please try the recipe at home. Thank you for watching my video. Till that time, bye bye.